Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Kheer or Indian rice pudding, where rice is cooked in milk and sugar and sometimes flavored with cardamom powder or saffron, and is loved by one and all. So here's the easy and simple original kheer recipe. Let's go and make it happen. So things we need for this kheer will be, I have milk. You can use whole milk as well, but I have this 2% on hand, so I'm using 2% reduced fat milk today. Then I have some sugar. I'm using regular granulated sugar. Then I have a washed and pre-soaked rice. I soak my rice for at least 30 minutes for this kheer, and hour would be great. Then I have this chopped pistachios and almonds, and I'll be using those to garnish my kheer. So these are all the ingredients which I'll be using today for this kheer. Let's go and cook it. So take a heavy bottom wide cooking pot, add milk in there and bring it to one boil. So drain the water from your rice and then add in milk, stir and let it come to another boil, and then cover loosely and let it cook on slow flame. On a precautionary measure, I put the griddle underneath the pot so it will prevent burning the milk from the bottom. I actually cook my kheer overnight, so I give at least 4 to 6 hours to my kheer. In this way, milk will change its color. It turns into a pinkish brownish color, and rice itself gets soft and little mushy, so I don't have to use any blender. Now, if you don't have that much time, you can cook your kheer for at least 30 to 40 minutes until your rice are completely tender, and just press with the help of spoon. I don't recommend you to use any blender or machine for your kheer, so just give it at least sufficient time so rice will get cooked. So I just cover it loosely and let it cook for like at least 4 hours, and after that, here you can see milk already changes color, cream came on top, and you have a creamy rice thick mixture. The rice of course are fully cooked right at this point. If you see like bigger chunks of rice, just press them with the help of spoon and they will get smashed by themselves. So now stir one more time, mix everything and then add your sugar. Now stir and continue to cook until your kheer becomes thick, because sugar will release some water and you will see that kheer is getting a little watery. So cook for like I say 10 to 15 minutes if you are cooking on a slow flame, and keep stirring in between to prevent any burning. You can add any flavor if you want to add, like a cardamom powder or saffron or anything. I don't use anything, just milk, sugar and rice will make a delicious kheer. So here you can see the rice are completely mixed. As I already said, I don't recommend to use a blender. If you completely blend your rice, then it will not stay a kheer. Kheer always have very teeny bit chunks of rice. So just switch on the flame until this mixture reaches to a porridge consistency, I say. And it's always good to switch off little early because it gets more thickened after it cools down. So I just transfer my kheer onto my serving bowls and then garnished with chopped pistachios and almonds. Just like Halloween is unthinkable without pumpkins, so is that Desi festival without this kheer. Any celebration, any traditional function and what more. Even for day-to-day entertaining, this rice pudding finds its way into the menu. And if it's coming into your menu, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.